guys, I'm Ishta from HungryForever and welcome back to our channel. Today we're at Soul Pantry, which is located in the Andaz Hotel in Aero City, Delhi. This is basically a cafe which is Delhi style. It's a bespoke eatery. It's actually inspired from the abundance of nature and moreover to celebrate nature. Instead of focusing on the refined grains that are now available everywhere, that's what pizzas are made of, we focus more on the natural grains like amarnath and whole wheat and buckwheat, and they have finger millet as well and barley. So it's basically like instead of a pizza, you can choose a flatbread over here, and they give you options of different grains that you want to pick from. So you can either choose an amarnath or a buckwheat or barley or whatever suits you. They have some really interesting things in the menu as well. They have a wholesome meal bowl. They have the flatbreads which are made live in the counter, so you can even see it getting made right in front of you. Apart from that, they also have a really nice coffee program. They use 3 methods: pour over, siphon. So guys, this is the dessert corner, and they also have some grains displayed here. They basically source their grains from a company called Indian Original Table, who actually source their grains from directly from the farmers, which is great. Then they also have the flatbreads displayed here. The dessert, they mentioned every day there's a new dessert that's prepared, so it gives sort of like an element of surprise, which is great. It does not make the menu boring. And they do not use sugar in any of their beverages or desserts. They use jaggery. Some of the dishes have arrived. I'm trying out their flatbreads and wholemeal bowl right here. This is made of the ragi dough. This is made of the amarnath dough, and that is made of the whole wheat dough. That is the spicy chicken. This is an avocado and hummus-based topping. This has some pesto, tomato, and some cream cheese. And this is the creamy mushroom and the 5 cheese pizzas. And this bowl right here is called an artisan rice bowl. It has puffed rice, jalmuri, peanuts, onion, tomatoes, and some lime. Another dish has arrived. This is the all-time classic flatbread. This has tomato, mozzarella, and fresh basil. We saw the preparation for this, and I'm very excited to dig in. One thing that I really liked was they use bamboo straws right here. They are obviously reusable. You can sanitize them and reuse them again, which I think is a great initiative. I loved my experience here at the Soul Pantry. They have a very different concept, which I haven't personally experienced here in Delhi as of now. I love the fact they don't use any sugar, so it's all jaggery in all their beverages and desserts, which is great for someone who's very health conscious or trying to become more of a healthy eater, which is great. So if you come under the category of someone who's trying to eat healthy, definitely come here and give this a try. They also deliver I think online, so you can check that out as well. They also have a corner for NGOs where they sell stuff created by orphans out of recyclable waste, which is great as well. They also have some games back there where you can pick up and just spend time over here at the cafe. They also have a gifting corner where they have all organic dried fruits, coffees, teas as well that you can pick up and use for gifting purposes. Overall, I highly enjoyed my experience here, and I recommend it to you guys as well. And if you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends and family, and do not forget to follow us on our Instagram and Facebook as well.